Reco Social, find your next obsession. So here is the app. Your feed now shoppable. Save your favorite finds to shop later. Track prices across multiple sellers. Scan any post to find the products featured. Earn when you refer and recommend. Reco is the home for your recommendations. We believe the best discoveries come from real people, not ads or algorithms. Reco connects users, creators, and brands through authentic recommendations. Why Reco? Because recommendations are more trusted than ads. Reco turns the things people already love into opportunity to discover, share, and earn. So here you have it. Not that popular app yet, so you can then just download it and then you can just open it up. And then let's just try to create an account. I will just show it to you. And then say what you know. So for example, and then this is kind of online shopping, video shopping app. You can earn from games. You can share a referral code. You can share the code to. So here is you have it. I'm using Reco. It's a fun way to share, discover cool stuff. You can earn from it too. So that's the idea. So you can see this is my invite code. So yeah, like if I just want to copy it, I'll just create a new note just to see it. So yeah, this is my code, and yeah, try it out. And there are posts. You can upload your content. You can earn by playing games. You can I don't know whether you can also upload TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Reco automatically matches your existing content with products and makes it shoppable. Pretty cool. Then you can also so you can also record videos in here. You can see, upload content, create products into collections, earn just from having good taste, play games, invite friends. So kind of video shopping app. You can see what people are posting in here. Shop this post, and then you can see what is in this, inspired by this post. Yeah. And then for example, so kind of like video shopping. Just that's kind of the idea. So yeah, there are apps like Whatnot. There is like TikTok shopping. So this is a new trend, like live video shopping. This is just like kind of short video shopping. So try it out. This is just a new app, literally just released. It literally has like 200 reviews or something like that, like 53 reviews. I don't know how legit is that, but say it's yeah, it says they are legit, but I don't know if this is a legit review. There is only one review, but try it out.